Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Michelle, and if you're new here, please take the time to go down below and subscribe to my channel. Also, hit the notification bell so you can get all my new videos. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I have Boxycharm. So for the month of June, we have the Boxycharm. I know this video is coming up late, but I'm very sorry. Without further ado, let's open it on up. So for this month, I am so excited. I love Boxycharm. Anybody who's on my channel knows that. Love, love, love it. So we don't have to go over that again, but I do love Boxycharm. All the items that you get with Boxycharm are full-size items, so that is nice because you're always getting even if it is like a travel size, it's still a nice size item. So speaking of travel size, the first charm in our box is a travel size, but it's still a nice cute little size of Bum Bum Cream. This is by Sol de Janeiro, and it's the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. This smells so good. I opened it up to take a smell of it, and it smells like summer. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. If I could let you smell it, it smells so good. So it smells like summertime. Oh my gosh, it just smells so good. The fast absorbing texture contains just enough mica to add the perfect Brazilian glow, as the formula helps your body look and feel its smoothest and tightest. So this is body butter. I haven't used it yet, but it smells, like I said, it smells delicious, and it's supposed to be really great. This one retails for $10. Nice little travel size. So totally gonna use this. It smells delish. The next charm that I have is the Lexi 3-piece Flawless Complexion Set. I love, love, love tools, and these are such nice brushes. They have the 516 dual fiber powder brush, the 522 tapered highlighter brush, and the 660 precision foundation brush. I use the foundation brush under my eyes to set my under eye powder, and then I use the dual fiber brush for my bronzer, on my cheekbones, and on my forehead. They worked well. I also popped my highlighter on with the tapered highlighter brush, and it is so perfect. It just gave me that perfect little, it's just like the perfect size. And the bristles are so soft. These brushes are so well made. And this set retails for $42. I just love, love, love these brushes. These are so awesome, so pretty. They're really, really nice. The next charm in our box is, which I'm so excited for, I love this palette. This is by Alamar Cosmetics, and it's the Renadel Caribbean Eyeshadow Palette Volume 1. I love these shadows. They are gorgeous, and they're very pigmented. They last. They don't have a lot of fallout. I'm loving this palette, and I can't wait to do more eye looks with it. I did this eye look with it, and I am loving it. Love, love, loving it. Like I said, I did this eye look, so I used 5 out of the 8 shadows on my eyes, and the only ones I didn't incorporate were the bluish greenish colors, but I used all the other sunset, just gorgeous colors, and they are so nice. This is such a nice palette. Love, love, love it. And this Alamar Cosmetics palette retails for $28. This palette I could see lasting me quite some time, not because of the colors are so bright. So at first I thought, I'm not gonna wear them all the time, but I love this eye look that I created, and it lasts all day because I did try these colors on, and it's almost like you don't want to take the look off because it's just so pretty. It's that pretty. Our next charm in our box is the Baddington Monroe Silk Lashes, and I have to say this packaging is just adorable. The way it came, I have the lashes on right now, so they're not in here. I did apply them on my eyes. At first I wasn't so sure if I liked them, but once I put them on, they are so beautiful. They're light but luxurious at the same time, if that makes sense. These retail for $28 and they are gorgeous lashes. They're the 3D multi-layered Badminton Monroe silk lashes. They are handmade with 100% silk and impressive durability, allowing 25 applications with proper care. You even have a nice little storage case to keep them in, keep them cleaned, 25 uses. So basically, I mean, they're $28 a little, I mean, that's not very much per application. So if you're saying they're really nice lashes and they last a while, not, you know, they're not super inexpensive, but they are silk. The next charm in our box is, it's a waterproof eyeliner pencil by Jaunt Blue. This is, I got the color dark brown and I used that on my bottom waterline, pop a color without being too dark, because sometimes you just don't want to put black on the bottom of your eyes. I like using black on the top waterline, but sometimes black on the bottom just looks a little too dark. And this retails for $5. I also tried it out the other day in my eyebrows and it stayed really nice. So if you don't want to use it on your eyes and this color matches your brows, you should give it a go because it's nice. It's really, the formula is really nice and creamy. The last charm in our box is by Ofra, and this is the long lasting liquid lipstick. This is in the color Verona. This is a little bit darker than I generally would use, but you know, if you're going out on a night on a town, honestly it goes well with the rest of the colors, but it's kind of growing on me. I don't mind the color. I really like the formula. It's not sticky, but then it's not so drying that it like is cracky either. So I do like this formula. This one retails for $21 and that's by Ofra. That is our box. So happy once again with Boxycharm. They have done it again. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed, and if you're not subscribed, then become part of the fam and subscribe down below. Also, if you like this video, then please like this video. Guys, you can also join me and my fam over on our other channel, the Maze Family, and join us on vlogs, challenges. My girls do unboxings and stuff, so it's fun. Join the family. Love you all. Till next time, guys.